Hey, it's Mickey from Mickey Money AI. Use AI. Make money. Simple. Today, I'm breaking down 13 hidden AI gems that people are quietly using to make real, passive income right now in 2026. We're skipping the overhyped stuff and going straight into the tools fueling actual cash flow. From Faceless video to AI-infused Etsy shops, smart side hustles, and even silent digital asset streams. If you're ready to do more than just read about AI and actually use it to make money, grab a notepad or just screenshot your phase. And if you want more real, honest AI money hacks, hit subscribe. Here's the kicker. I'll reveal my top 3 picks and exactly how you can set them up at the end. Let's go. Section 1, new passive income with AI automations. So let's start with what most people want from AI, set it and forget it income. This isn't hype. It's about building small, automated cash machines you control from your phone. Here are 3 hot tools crushing it this year. 1, Flowforge Autopilot. This launched Q4 last year and quietly exploded in 26. It lets you string together dozens of web tasks. Think scraping, republishing, lead gen, price monitoring, Etsy syndication without touching any code. There's a massive marketplace for automations. I just saw someone list a script that pulls trending dropshipping products, marks them up from Ollie now, and cross-posts them to 3 e-commerce platforms for $20 per month. 2, Gridwise AI.
Gridwise started for gig drivers, but their 2026 AI launch is a goldmine for micro investors. Plug in your delivery/ride data. AI looks for where you should drive, when, and gives passive rental suggestions: bikes, scooters, cars. Folks are buying extra scooters, letting them auto lease, and getting $300 plus per month per vehicle with barely any interaction. 3, Reply Loop. This is sneaky good. Reply Loop automates email outreach, client follow-ups, and even custom cold offers that sound human. Freelancers use it to land new clients 24/7, but some are using it to run multiple email-based businesses at once. One user showed $2,100 per month net from 3 Reply Loop. Set it and forget its side gigs. Now you might be thinking, but are these actually passive, or is it just more busy work? Here's my rule. Build once, test for a week, automate everything left. The passive part is real, but you still need to put in smart setup. Section 2, AI video tools, faceless and fast. You've seen the AI faceless channel trend, right? 2026 is the year they got supercharged and unrecognizably slow. Let's talk about 2 tools here. 4, Storyflex. This tool is making waves for TikTok, Insta Reels, and YouTube Shorts creators who don't want to show their face. It takes a blog post or script, selects B-roll from fresh AI video libraries, adds viral style captions, and auto trims clips to platform specs. I've seen small creators launch a channel in one afternoon, get 10K plus views by week's end, and automatically push brand deals or digital products. Average $500 to $2,800 per month for consistent posters. 5, DubBuddy AI. This one's for voiceovers. You load your script and pick from 2026 level voices, truly undetectable as AI now, and it outputs the narration in minutes. Combine with Storyflex, overlay a trending soundtrack, and you've got a channel in a box. There's also a gig economy around making just the audio for busy content creators. One Redditor shared their DubBuddy Fiverr gig, clearing $1.7 thousand in February. Bonus, VD Stack, still invite only, but worth waiting on, can generate 30 short-form faceless videos in under 10 minutes. Early users are reselling the clips to small biz owners, $10 per pop. The secret for 2026? The content is good. It's not spammy or mid-tier. AI's generative video game just leveled up. Section 3, print on demand and merch with AI. Want physical merch money? AI print on demand is back, but smarter and way less saturated if you niche down. Here's how folks are cashing out. 6, Autopilot. This tool combines trending pattern search, AI art, and product previews, so you can test what sells without spending a dime. Sellers upload 5 prompts. Let Autopilot create the art. Then one-click push to Redbubble, Merch Fleet, or Amazon. Average $100 to $800 per month side income per micro niche. If you spot a rising trend, think cyborg alpacas or solar eclipse souvenirs 2026, you can dominate for a few months. 7, Prompt Flex, the king of AI, font, calligraphy, and typographic art for apparel. Help sellers find trending phrases and convert them into 2026 style graphics. One Prompt Flex user hit $2,400 last month with just custom font hats. No design skills, just smart niche selection. Trick, merge AI art with local events, parades, niche cons, even hyperlocal memes. Use Autopilot for designs, Prompt Flex for text, and sell before the trend fades. Set it up with print fulfillment and let the AI keep feeding new ideas. Section 4, crypto and trading bots in 2026. Alright, big caveat. Crypto AI bots in 2026 are nothing like those old 100x in 1 week scams. Regulation and smarter code means there are legit passive plays if you're careful. Here's what's working. 8, LuxPrompt AI. This bot tracks over 2,000 micro cryptos, social signals, and trading volume spikes in real time. Early users users pair it with copy trading platforms, setting risk levels and letting Lux Prompt do the rest. ROI varies, but the high average is 7 to 12% per month, and the tool lets you paper trade until you're comfortable. Real example, $2,000 deposited last August, now $2,960 today, with just 20 minutes/month adjusting risk rules. 9. HedgeNet Mini Funds. This one's big for group pools. Micro investors join mini funds, think under $100 each, managed by AI, with full stats and monthly payout. One fund I followed did 18% growth in Q1 2026. Just remember, only invest money you can afford to lose. But it's finally usable for regular people, not just whales. Remember, all trading is risky. Start with the paper simulation mode on both platforms before you go live. Section 5. Selling AI-powered digital products. Want true sell while you sleep money? 2026's best move is stacking small, evergreen digital products powered by AI with repeat buyers. Here's how. 10. Niche Gen Studio. AI-powered template packs for Notion, budgeting, journaling, fan sites. Views what's trending on Gumroad/Etsy and auto-generates ready-to-sell packs. One user showed $518 in their first week selling a wedding planning 2026 Notion kit. 11. Sonic Stock. Viral sound effect and AI music loops. Upload your genre, tweak with prompts, and let buyers license for their own content. $7 to $17 per download. You can batch produce 50 unique sound packs and let the site handle the promotion. Pro tip. Set up monthly update subscriptions for your digital packs. People pay every month for fresh content. Section 6. Smart niche marketplaces and licensing. AI isn't just about making products. It's also about licensing and micro-sell. You can profit even from small assets or skills. Here's what works now. Well, Micro Ad Voice. This is a platform where AI voiced ad scripts, brand stingers, or jingles are bought and sold. You generate voiceovers, tag the market, e.g. Trod Eyes, realtors, YouTubers, and get paid per use. One creator put up 34 stingers, setting $12 per download, $400 plus in passive sales last month. All the voices are AI, so it's totally hands-off after upload. 13. Prompt Pal Market, the Etsy for prompt packs. If you're good at AI or automating things, create prompt recipes for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or even coding bots. Packs of 10 prompts sell for $7, and top prompt designers are clearing $1,000 plus a month. Bonus tip, combo packs of niche prompts for guided activities like grant writing,
Instagram bios, viral tweet hooks are flying right now. You just upload and collect. Section 7. My top 3 AI money tools with setup tips. Alright, so those are 13, but you want the best of the best. Here's what I'd use if I started from scratch today. Number 1, Storyflex. The content video game is still wide open. My tip, pick a weird micro niche example. Solar Home Hacks 2026, script 20 videos, let Storyflex do the rest. Pair it with DubBuddy for voiceovers. Don't just post, add a digital product, Notion planner, recipe, toolkit, and push it in every video. Cancelletto do it. Gridwise ai. This is hands-off side income if you live in any decent size city. Rent out a scooter or car. Let Gridwise optimize every move. Automate the recurring payment setup. Forget old school Uber hustle. Number 3, Artopilot. No art skills needed. Pick a trend. Use Artopilot for 50 designs. Auto list to Redbubble. Set aside 30 minutes per week testing new trends and use AI to handle the rest. Easiest merch side hustle out there right now. Whatever you go with, the key is stacking your wins. Don't overthink. Pick one tool, launch it, optimize, then add a second stream next month. If you want even more deep dives into these tools, realistic earnings reports, and honest AI side hustle reviews, hit subscribe now. And check out my next video. I'll walk you through automating your first $100 per month with one of these platforms, start to finish. I'll see you there.